Right now, something is happening in every industry, in every profession, in every corner of the working world. And most people can feel it, even if they can't quite name it. Jobs are changing, skills are shifting, and the rules that got you here may not be enough to take you where you need to go next. This is Careeroria, and this is your moment to get ahead of it. Let's talk honestly about what's going on. Artificial intelligence is not a trend. It is not a phase. It is not something that only affects tech workers or people with computer science degrees. AI is reshaping teaching. It's transforming logistics. It's rewriting the playbook for real estate, healthcare, finance, law, and marketing. Every field, every level, every kind of work. And here's the hard truth most people don't want to say out loud. The professionals who thrive in the next 5 years will not necessarily be the ones who know the most about their field. They'll be the ones who know how to combine that expertise with AI and use it to do things that were simply not possible before. But here's where most people get stuck. It's not that they're afraid of hard work. It's not that they lack ambition or ability. The problem is they don't know where to start. They see terms like machine learning and large language models and agentic AI, and they feel like this world wasn't built for them. Like there's some secret entry point they missed. There isn't a secret. There is, however, a gap between where the working world is going and the resources most people have to get there. That gap is exactly what Careeroria was built to close. Careeroria is a career development platform built for the AI era, not built for engineers, not built for early adopters or tech enthusiasts. Built for professionals with real experience, real skills, and real careers who need practical, clear guidance on what AI means for them specifically and what to do about it. Here's how it works. The first thing Careeroria gives you is practical AI training, not theory for its own sake. Every training we offer is built around one question. What can you actually do with this? You'll learn how to use AI tools relevant to your profession, how to integrate them into the work you're already doing, and how to build capabilities that make you more valuable and more competitive in your field. Whether you're brand new to AI or you've already been experimenting on your own, Careeroria meets you where you are and moves you forward. The second thing we give you is preparation for emerging AI roles. New positions are being created right now. Roles that didn't exist 2 years ago and will be in high demand 2 years from now. The professionals who land those roles won't be the ones who waited to see how things shook out. They'll be the ones who position themselves early. Careeroria helps you understand what those roles look like, what they require, and how your existing background makes you a stronger candidate than you might think. Your experience is not a liability in the AI era. With the right preparation, it's your greatest advantage. The third thing we give you is field-specific guidance. AI doesn't affect every profession the same way. A nurse navigating AI-assisted diagnostics has a completely different set of challenges than a financial advisor working with AI-powered portfolio tools. At Careeroria, guidance is tailored to your field, not generic advice, not one-size-fits-all frameworks. Real specific direction on how AI is changing your industry and what moves you should be making right now. Now here's what most career development platforms miss, and what makes Careeroria genuinely different. Knowledge alone doesn't carry you through a career transition. Anyone who has ever changed careers, re-entered the workforce, or tried to upskill while holding down a job knows this. There are moments where you question yourself. Moments where you're not sure you're on the right path. Moments where you just need to know that someone else has been where you are and made it through. That's what the Careeroria community is built for. Inside the platform, you'll connect with peers who are navigating the same transitions. People in your industry, people at your stage, people who understand what you're up against because they're working through it too. You'll find encouragement when you need it, honest insight from people with real experience, and a network that can open doors as you move forward. Career transitions are rarely simple, but they don't have to be lonely. At Careeroria, you will never navigate this alone. Everything at Careeroria is built around a single guiding framework. We call it ATG, Adapt, Transfer, Grow. It's not just a tagline, it's your roadmap. Adapt means understanding what's changing in your field and developing the specific AI skills that make you relevant in the new landscape. This isn't about starting over, it's about expanding, adding new capabilities to the expertise you've already spent years building. Transfer means taking everything you already know, your professional judgment, your industry relationships, your hard-won experience, and positioning it as an asset in AI-adjacent and AI-enhanced roles. This is where a lot of career development programs fail people. They focus only on what's new and treat everything you've already done as irrelevant. Careeroria does the opposite. We help you see how your background becomes a competitive edge in the AI era. Grow means landing where you want to be. Whether that's a promoted version of your current role, a new position in an emerging field, or an entirely new direction built on a foundation you've already established. Adapt. transfer, grow. It's not a one-time journey, it's a continuous process, and Careeroria is with you every step of the way. So who is Careeroria for? It's for the mid-career professional who has spent 15 years building expertise in their field and wants to make sure that expertise still matters and still pays in the years ahead. It's for the career changer who knows their current path isn't working, but isn't sure what the next one looks like or how AI factors into it. It's for the recent graduate stepping into a workforce that looks completely different from the one their degree prepared them for. It's for the job seeker who keeps seeing AI experience preferred in job listings and wants to finally be the candidate who checks that box. And it's especially for anyone who has ever felt like technology is moving too fast and leaving too many people behind, because we believe no one should be left behind. Your experience is not obsolete. It is your foundation. Careeroria helps you build on it. Here's what we know. The professionals who will thrive in the AI era are not necessarily the youngest, the most technical, or the ones who have been tracking every AI development since day one. They're the ones who decided at some point that they were going to figure this out, that they were going to take this seriously, that they were going to show up, do the work, and position themselves to succeed in a world that was changing whether they were ready or not. You're watching this video because some part of you has already made that decision. You know something is shifting. You want to be on the right side of it. And you're looking for a place that speaks to your actual situation, your actual career, and the actual path forward. That place is Careeroria. Join us and you'll get practical AI training designed for your profession, guidance on the roles emerging in your field, a community of professionals navigating this alongside you, and a clear framework for turning where you are today into where you want to be tomorrow. The link is right below this video. Take 60 seconds and explore what's waiting for you, because the AI era is not waiting, and neither should you. Careeroria, adapt, transfer, grow.